Conditor alme sidram, aeterna lux credentium, Christe Redemptor omnium, exaudi preces supplicum.
Creator of the stars of night, eternal light of faithful hearts, O Christ, Redeemer of us all, hear now the prayers your people call. Qui condolens interitu mortis perire seculum, salvasti mondum languidum, donans reis remedium.
You grieving that the ancient curse should doom to death the universe, have come, O Savior, to set free your own inglorious liberty.
Vergente mundi vespero, uti sponsus de thalamo, egressus honestissima Virginis Matris clausa d'amor.
When this old world drew on towards night, you came, but not in splendor bright, not as a monarch, but the child of Mary, blameless mother mild.
Cuius forti potentiae genu curvantur omnia, celestia terrestria nutu fatentur subdita.
At your great name, O Jesus, now all knees must bend, all hearts must bow, all things on earth with one accord, like those in heaven shall call you Lord.
Te deprecamur agie, venture iudex seculi, conserva nos in tempore hostis a telo.